I'm here at Offshore Europe 2015 with Charles Wemyss, who's the Chief Executive of Litre. Charles, thank you very much for doing an interview with us today. What is exactly this product? Very interesting when you're walking past the stand here. I guess it gets a few people's attention. What exactly is this here?
This is a rotary piston, so it shows you what's happening inside one of our flow meters. It's quite a simple mechanism, but it's quite hard to describe. So we have this big thing here, so you can see it. And we also have a smaller one here, which is actually more like life size. So this is a little battery-powered example we've got with a pump inside. It's flowing water around it, and that's typically how one of our flow meters work.
And what sort of business, what sort of areas is your product aimed at, Charles?
Oh, the major application is chemical injection measurement. So we have tens or hundreds of these installed on a rig measuring scale inhibitor, corrosion inhibitor, all sorts of chemicals for making the quality of the crude oil better for flowing through the pipelines.
How important is it to come to an event like Offshore Europe to showcase your products?
It's essential. We've been coming here since the late 80s, so we haven't missed a beat since then, and now the oil and gas industry is 80% of our business, so it's an essential part of what we're doing.
And is your products, I guess, I know a lot of the oil and gas industry is looking to cost cutting, saving money. Is your products help them in that event and perhaps going forward? Exactly.
No one buys a flow meter unless they want to save money. It's so they apply too little, their pipeline gets damaged. If they apply too much, then they're wasting the chemical. So it's essential they can measure it accurately and at all sorts of application pressures and flow rates, and that's exactly what we do.
And with the change in industry, constantly technology evolving, Charles, how important is it for your company to keep at top of that?
We spend an awful lot of money on research and development, probably 20% of turnover, and we bring innovations every 2 years to the Offshore Europe show. So we've got a lot of innovations on show today. Our new instrumentation is pretty unique in the industry. 2-wire, intrinsically safe, heart compatible. That's unique, and that's what our customers are demanding.
And this is some of your new products on show here, is it?
Yes. So that's the flow pod, which is the instrument for what the customers are using for chemical injection. We also have a high pressure Coriolis. That's unique in the industry as well. There's no other Coriolis in the world that does 1,000 bar in production. And we have in the far corner our low flow calibration rig. There are no laboratories in the world that can measure the flow rates we can. So we've got this now on offer that some of our major customers can acquire it and be able to retest and reprogram our meters.